वक्रतुंड महाकाय कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्।
You are able to hear me, right?
भवतापि श्रूयते किल महोदय?
आम् आम्। मम ध्वनि स्लो
निधानं
मम सेटिंग ध्वनि सेटिंग
अद्य एकं पोष्टकम् अहं टङ्कनं कृतवती। I just wanted to know whether this will be useful for you people or not. Like the first four numbers, ekam, ekatah, chatur paryantam. Ekatah chatur paryantam. Pullinge, स्त्रीलिंगे, नपुंसकलिंगे कथम उपयोक्तव्यम् इति। प्रथमा विभक्त्याम् एकः एकम् एके पुल्लिंगे एकः एकम् एकेन एकस्मै एकस्मात् एकस्य एकस्मिन्। एवमेव स्त्रीलिंगे
एका एका एकया एकस्यै एकस्याः एकस्याः एकस्यां। नपुंसकलिंगे एकम् एकम् एकेन एकस्मै एकस्मात् एकस्य एकस्मिन्।
एवमेव द्विशब्दस्य
पुल्लिंग द्वौ
समानमेव। तृतीया विभक्त्याम् आरभ्य सर्वत्र समानमेव। अत्र प्रथमा विभक्तितः द्वितीया विभक्ति पर्यन्तं किञ्चित् भेदः अस्ति। I'll share this with you, but I just wanted to know whether this is useful for you or not. तदनन्तरं त्रिशब्दस्य त्रयः
त्रीन् that I was not aware. I'm not जानामि। त्रीणि त्रिभिः तिस्रिभिः त्रिभिः त्रिभ्यः तिस्रभ्यः त्रिभ्यः त्रिभ्यः तिस्रिभ्यः त्रिभ्यः त्रयाणां तिस्रीणां त्रयाणां त्रिषु तिस्रिषु त्रिषु। चत्वारः चतस्रः चत्वारि चतुरः चतस्र चत्वारि चतुर्भिः चतस्रिभिः चतुर्भिः चतुर्भ्यः चतस्रिभ्यः चतुर्भ्यः चतुर्भ्यः चतस्रिभ्यः चतुर्भ्यः चतुर्णां चतस्रिणां चतुर्णां चतुर्षु चतुश्रीषु चतुर्षु.
So if you want, you can try a few sentences in this.
So even from Panchami, it will be
Bahuvachana.
the Pullinga, Strilinga, Napunsakalinga.
Bahuvachanameva.
Vibhakti will be there, different, right?
एकः बालकः, एका बालिका, एकं पत्रम्.
Ekam balakam.
Then I am trying to form a sentence like.
Astu.
हस्तेन अहं लिखामि.
पुनः वदतु महोदय.
एकस्मै बालकाय पुस्तकं ददातु.
द्वितीया.
एकं बालं दृष्टवान्. एकं पाठं पठामि. एकं वृक्षं पश्यति. एकम् अश्वं पश्यति. एकम् अश्वं. एका बालिका गच्छति. एकया बालिकया कथा श्रुता. एकस्यै बालिकाया गीतं गायतु.
एकस्यै चतुर्थ्यां.
What did he say for Tritiya?
Shilika or Pullingam? Ekaya balikaya Vida Sudha. Gidam Sudha. Vida Sudha. Kada Sudha.
Ekaya balikaya
Kada Sudha.
Katha Sruta. What does it mean?
One story is heard what by a girl. That is a karmani prayogam. When Tritiya is used, normally karmani prayoga will come. एकया लेखन्या अहम लिखामि. So if you have got the Strilinga, then you have to ekaya.
Ekena. Now use ekena.
Ekena hastena vayam gadamaha.
This is Pullinga, right? Not Napunsakali.
हस्तः पुल्लिङ्गम् अस्ति किल अतः
एकेन
एकेन कन्दुकेन बालकः क्रीडति.
एकस्मै एकस्मै तस्मै रामाय नमः.
एकस्मै किमर्थं तत्र रामाय नमः इत्युक्ते एकमेव
एकस्मै बालकाय पुत्राय एकस्मै पुत्राय पुरस्कारं ददाति. एकस्मै
बालकाय
पुत्राय
चतुर्थी विभक्ति अस्ति किल
दुग्धं
एकस्मै बालकाय
एकस्मै बालकाय पुत्राय दुग्धं ददति. माता दुग्धं ददति.
स्त्रीलिङ्गे
एकस्यै बालिकायै अयम् अनुभवति.
न चतुर्थी विभक्ति
Bhayam is anger. No, ekasya balika anger. I wanted to say.
क्रुद्धयति.
Krudyati. Kupyati. Ekasya balikayai mahila kupyati. Ekasmai. Apumsakalingam. एकस्मै मित्राय एकस्मै मित्राय अहं पुस्तकं ददामि.
In Chaturthi, like Ramaya Namaha is Sampurna Vakyam. Ramaya, Tasmai Ramaya Namaha. Tasmai is for me or who, or is for Ram.
Tasmai is Ram only.
That Ram.
Oh.
Tasmai is Saha, na?
So oh, okay, that's the confusion. I thought, matlab, it is I bow to Ram. So, but I is implicit here.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't put Aham Ramaya Namaha.
No. Aham Ramam Namami.
Namati. Namami. See, that is the peculiarity of the Nama Shabdaha. Namaha, if you use, then you would say Ramaya Namaha. But if you say Namadi, Aham Raman Namadi.
There is one Putram there. Namaha, Swasti, Swaha, Alam, Vashat. When these padas come, yada kadapi vayam etani shabdani शब्दानाम् उपयोगं कुर्मः तत् समये चतुर्थी विभक्ति एव नियमः अस्ति तावत्
कः शब्द
नमः स्वस्ति
नमः
स्वस्ति
स्वस्ति
स्वाहा अलम वषट they use in these homas while doing some homas they use these this vashat shabda
and even swada also, right?
swada
पंचमी विभक्ति एकस्मात् वृक्षात् फलं पतति.
एकस्मात्
एकस्मात् बीजात् a big big tree came. From a one seed, a big tree came. I wanted to say that. Ekasmat
Vrishah,
jat
vrishah utpadati.
महान्
महावृक्षः भवति.
जातः.
जातः.
One big tree came, you are saying. जातः.
Yeah. जातः. एकस्याः पञ्चमी विभक्ति.
एकस्याः लतायाः
पर्णं पतति. पर्णं पतति.
पर्णं
For Panchami Vibhakti, Bhayam is Panchami Vibhakti.
पञ्चमी भयेन सूत्रमस्ति. पञ्चमी भयेन भीत्रार्थानां भयहेतुः तदपि एकं सूत्रमस्ति. पर पञ्चमी विभक्ति.
अहम् एकस्याः भयम् अनुभवामि.
एकस्याः बालिकायाः
भयम्
because अहं सदा एकं
का सा बालिका?
ओके. एकस्याः राक्षसीयाः भयम् अनुभवामः.
Come again. What did you say?
I said we are all afraid of the Rakshasi.
But Rakshasi will be what? Rakshasyaha, right?
Yeah, Rakshasyaha.
Hari Nadyah.
Ekasya. Shashti.
एकस्य बालकस्य स्यूतं पतति.
पञ्चमी वा षष्ठी वा? एकस्य
षष्ठी. Boys
स्यूतं
bag
पतति.
falls.
आम्.
स्यूतं
एकस्य बालकस्य स्यूतं पतति.
स्यूतं पतति.
एकस्य बालिकायाः
तत्रापि स्यूतं पतति वा?
some
एकस्याः महिलायाः गृहं विशालम्. She has a big house. Her house is big. Vishalam. Or Hrudayam is Vishalam. Anything is something.
एकस्य फलं रुचि मधुरम् अस्ति.
फलस्य
एकस्य फलस्य रुचिः मधुरम् अस्ति.
So in the Madhurashtakam word, we can take everything and use it here, right?
Which word?
In Madhurashtakam, they describe Krishna's face is beautiful, lips are beautiful, and everything. Madhuram. The songs are beautiful, like that we can use here.
एकस्मिन् एकस्मिन् दिने एकः काकः आसीत्. This is used lot in stories. बहु कथायां अस्ति. बहु कथाः अस्ति.
बहवः कथाः
बहवः कथाः
एकस्मिन् विषये चर्चा कुर्मः
एकस्यां नद्यां
जलं नास्ति
जलं नास्ति
जनाः स्नानं कुर्वन्ति
एकस्यां what I wanted to say. एकस्यां कथयोः पात्रे कथायां पात्रः काकः.
कथानायकः इत्यपि वक्तुं शक्यते.
कथानायकः काकः.
एकस्यां कथायां कथानायकः काकः.
So you just said right, ekasmin. I just wanted to say that same. Ekasmin. Napumsakalingam. एकस्मिन् वने एकः सिंहः आसीत्.
एकस्मिन् वने एकः सिंहः आसीत्. अस्तु, कथां पठामः वा? अन्यकथा.
एकः प्रश्नः अस्ति. यः तः प्रयोगः कालसमान अस्ति वा?
समानः. वदतु, उदाहरणवाक्यं वदतु.
यः बालकः यः बालकः आगतवान् तः मम पुत्रः अस्ति.
तः इत्युक्ते किम् अत्र? सः अत्र सः आगच्छति किल. यः बालकः आगतवान् सः मम पुत्रः. तः इति तत्र न उपयोक्तव्यम्.
तः is from where, from that place kind of a thing.
No, not that taha. We learned that yaha and taha, na? What was that?
Yaha saha only.
Yataha tataha is there.
No, wait.
Yaha saha yat tat.
Oh, okay. Oh, no, not yaha taha. Yaha saha. So yaha बालकः आगतवान् सः मम पुत्र अस्ति. Is this correct? So then काल समान नास्ति. आगतवान् and अस्ति. भूतकाल and वर्तमानकाल.
सः मम पुत्रः. That's enough. यः आगतवान् सः मम पुत्रः.
So my question was, can I have different kala, vartan kal, bhut kal, bhavishyat kal in the yaha and saha, two sentences?
Yeah, the one who came yesterday is my son, still is your son, right?
Yeah, I can always use that, right? That's what my question is. It need not be same kal.
No.
In the WhatsApp group, Parmeshwar Mahadya asked me that question. They are not same. That's what I had a doubt.
No, no, I'm not. I am talking about other things. See, that is, you are telling about Krishna. What happened to Krishna? So the Krishna lifted the Giri. Then the same Krishna, Nityadi means it is going on.
So I wanted to put it like that. I wanted to put it like that. That same Krishna who had lifted the Giri has only in his hand now.
If he is present now, it's okay. That's correct.
Okay.
Because you had the context of that Krishna only I told.
Okay.
But Krishna is last happened before.
No, that is fine. Krishna's Murti Asti with Murli Asti from that perspective.
That's
आमां धन्यवाद
कथां पठन्तु
पिपीलिकाः निद्रान्ति वा
एतां कथां वाट्सप् माध्यमेन अहं प्रेषितवती भवन्तः श्रुतवन्तः इति चिन्तयामि तदेव अत्र मुद्रणरूपे अस्ति
मुद्रण व्हाट इज मुद्रण
मुद्रण प्रिंटेड फॉर्म टाइप्ड और प्रिंटेड
पिपीलिकाः निद्रान्ति वा निद्रान्ति पिपीलिकाः आमाम् एकस्याः अन्ताराष्ट्रीयशालायाः प्रांशुपालः आसम् what is प्रांशुपालः
प्रांशुपालः प्रिंसिपल
oh okay principal were derived from this principal
मुख्योपाध्यायः
सा आवासीया शाला तस्याः शालायाः सर्वे विद्यार्थिनः मयि अत्यन्तं प्रीत्या आदरेण च व्यवहरन्ति स्म अहमपि तावत् सरलः आसम् यः कोऽपि विद्यार्थी यस्मिन् कस्मिन् समयेपि माम् उपसर्तुमवकाशः आसीत् Okay. I keep on reading.
Next.
Can we say the meaning, please?
Yeah, Avasiya means what?
Avasiya, residential.
Sir, Avasiya Shala.
That is a residential school. तस्याः शालायाः सर्वे विद्यार्थिनः मयि अत्यन्त प्रीत्या आदरेण च. So in that school, all students are very they respect each other, love each other, and behave properly.
Mayi to me, right?
Oh, okay.
Mayi atyantam preetya adareణ च व्यवहरन्ति स्म.
They behave with respect,
with
and
love and respect.
Who is the me here?
The principal, right?
Article.
प्रांशुपालः अस्ति किल अत्र सः. एतत् कथा तु इंटरनेशनल कथा तु तत् प्रांशुपालस्य कथा. अहम् अत्र टङ्कनं कर्तुं विस्मृतवती.
But he is not telling, right?
Yeah, it is his story only. There is a person in Karnataka. He is very famous, and his life experiences he has narrated in Kannada very beautifully in YouTube. Dr. Gururaj Karjagi iti tasya nama. Saha director api abhavat. Tadanantaram idanim tu nivruttah. किन्तु बहु I heard a story once. Once he went to USA, California. He was taken to for sightseeing. He was taken to a forest. He thought, why they are taking me to the forest? And somehow, it's okay, we will see. Then when he went there, he was amazed by the beautiful trees. Vast, very huge trees were there. And suddenly he got an idea. If I consider these huge trees as elder brother, and I compare them with the bonsai trees. Bonsai trees are younger brothers. Younger brothers of these huge trees. So such a vast difference between these two. These huge trees give shelter to so many birds. They are useful in all possible way to human beings. At the same time, the bonsai trees, they are dependent on the owner. They have no freedom. If you put a little more water, they will die. If you keep it for longer time in the sunlight, they will die. If you don't keep it in the sunlight, they will die. If you put less water, they will die. So what's the use? And they are of no use to any birds or anybody. So he discouraged his, some students presented him with some bonsai trees, and he said, no, I don't want such gifts. Whatever you do, it should be of use to the society. This is one of the examples. He quotes extensive from his personal life. This story also, I liked it very much. That's why I thought of sharing with you all. And when he was a principal, he was the principal of an international school. Then this is what was his experience in that school. That's what he is saying.
Ama. I missed out. The awesome word is, he's telling about himself.
So ahamapi tavat saralah asam. So I
was a simple person. Everybody, all the sarve vidyarthinah mayi atyantam preetya adarena cha vyavaharanti sma. All the students would behave with him or treat him with lot of love
our
and
respect, our regard to me.
with love
I
and
too.
respect. Ahamapi, I also tavat, the same
With
way.
them.
Saralaha asam. I was a simple guy.
Yaha kopi vidyarthi yasmin kasmin samaye
api
mam upasartum avakashaha asit.
Yah kopi vidyarthi, any student, yasmin kasmin samaye api, any time, whenever he wants, any time, mam upasartum, to approach me, avakashaha asit.
Avakasha asit man.
Had
Opportunity.
yes, opportunity. Anybody could come
Okay.
to me.
Okay.
Any time.
I still didn't get. Upshartum avakasha is break.
Upasartam is coming closer, something like that. Upanishad, they say. What is Upanishad?
Upanishad.
Upa.
Sitting in this.
Anekshar, together.
Come, sitting closer to the Guru.
Upavasam, staying close with the God.
Yes.
Oh, upa is like close.
Near, something. Near.
परमेश्वरम्
एकस्मिन् भानुवासरे अन्तर्देशीय छात्राः त्रयः मम प्रकोष्ठं प्रविष्टवन्तः. One Sunday, three international students came to my room. कः विषयः इति मम प्रश्नः. What is the why you came is my question. आचार्य एकः प्रश्नः अस्ति. Guru, there is one question. निस्सङ्कोचं पृच्छतु इति मम मन्दहासयुत उत्तरम्. Please ask me without any hesitation. It's my answer with a smile. आचार्य पीलिका
निसंकोचं पृच्छन्तु इति मम मन्दहासयुतम् उत्तरम्. With a smile, I replied, निसंकोचं पृच्छन्तु. Without any hesitation, please ask.
Mandahasa, whole word means smile.
Mandahasayutam is the word.
Mandahasa means smile.
Smile.
Hasa means laugh.
Smile. Yes. Hasa.
Punnagai.
Punnagai, yes.
Chirunavu.
They have in Sanskritam 6 levels of laughing. Hasita, hasita, upahasita, atihasita, apahasita, like that it will come in Natya Shastram. So just now I remembered that. So for everything they have a particular word for each and everything. No messing up of things. Upahasita, apahasita, like that. Agreement?
Acharya, Pipilikaha, Nindra, Guru, whether these ants will sleep is our Jijnasa.
Pipilikaha nidranti va iti asmakam Jijnasa. Do ants sleep?
Our question, yes. Our inquiry or curiosity.
Yes.
I have one question in the first para. So this Aderena Vyavaranti. So it's like they are respectful towards me or in me?
Towards me.
So then Mai should be Mayam or May, right? Mai is Saptami, right?
Chaturthi vibhakti, no?
Mai is Saptami.
Yeah, when it comes to any love and affection should be Saptami.
In me, okay, yes.
Bhayam is Panchami, Kopam or any anger is Chaturthi, love and affection is Saptami.
Okay. What was the first one? What is?
First one is like Bhayam, fear. Fear is Chaturthi. Then sorry. Fear is Panchami.
Bhitrarthanam bhaya hetuhu. You remember that?
Yeah.
Bhitrarthanam bhaya hetuhu. That is Panchami.
Anger and other things is Chaturthi.
Anger is Chaturthi.
Krudha, druha, irshya, asuyanam, yam pratikopaha.
Okay. Love of affection is Saptami. Okay.
Snehyati.
Agrimam. Jijnasa. No.
Anukshanam mamapi jijnasa arabdha. Ahamapi na jnatavan na chintitavan cha. Mama adhikaraha asit chhatranam krute pratyakshikam
kurvantu
kurvantu sajjikurvantu iti कारयितुम् अतः तान्
एकनिमिषं
want me to say the meaning
आम् आम्
अनुक्षणं मम अपि जिज्ञासा आरब्धा because of this is feminine, this is also that. So every moment for me also the curiosity started.
Not every moment, anukshana, immediately.
Anukshana means immediately for me also the curiosity or inquisitiveness it started. Ahamapi na jnatavan, I too did not know. Na chintitavan, I did not think about it. And I did not think about it. About it is in bracket. I did not think. Mama adhikaraha asit. I had the power, right? Power. Duty. Adhikaraha asit. Chatranam krute pratyakshikam. I had the duty to teach that student. Chatranam for the student.
Not teach. Chatranam krite pratyakshikam sajji kurvantu iti karayitum.
What is this pratyakshikam?
Pratyakshika shabdah.
Experience or
practical. Practical.
Sajji kurvantu iti karayitum. So learn it, do some practicals or experiments and then learn it, right?
Chhatranam krite pratyakshikam
practical
sajji kurvanti.
Collect some practical information, that is I think. Sajji kurvantu means collect the information. Pratyakshika means practical.
Sajji is correct.
So what did
Sajji kurvantu.
Students you do some practical experiment, that's what
he had the mama
the power to tell them power to tell them to do the practical things, practical information.
Learn with practical experience.
Okay.
No, how did the mama adhikara asit fit in there?
I could have told them.
He had the power to tell them.
Okay.
Tell them or make them do. Karayitum, to make them do.
Ataha tan tasmin pipilikanam nidra vishaye anveshtum prachoditavan. So therefore tan tasmin with their hands
No. Tan
is Vidya Vibhakti. Vidya Vibhakti Bahuvachana. Yeah, those students. Tasmin pipilikam.
Pipilikana tasmin pipilikanam nidra vishaye. In the matter of in the topic of pipilikanam nidra. The topic about the topic of the ants sleep. Anveshtum.
Search or research. Prachoditavan.
What is prachodit?
Said
To instigate them to think about that.
Motivated kind of a thing,
Yes.
or persuaded.
Prachodanam means to yeah, motivation would be right.
Te right. Utsahena स्वप्रकोष्ठं प्रति प्रस्थिताः. These words are so difficult. So they with
enthusiasm,
lot of enthusiasm, utsahena, swaprakoshtam, their room, right? Prakoshtam,
Return to their rooms.
Their room. Prati prasthita. They went to their room. They went to their room with lot of enthusiasm.
अहं तस्मिन् विषये पाकशालां प्रति दूरवाण्या सम्पर्कं कृत्वा पाचकम् एका काचकूपीं स्वीकृत्य तस्यां पिपीलिकात्रयं पूरयित्वा तत्र किञ्चित् शर्करां पूरयित्वा पिधानिकां संस्थाप्य तस्मिन् एकं रन्ध्रं कृत्वा एतेभ्यः ददातु इति. अहं तस्मिन् विषये I in that subject pakashalam kitchen prati towards duravani phone samparkam
telephone
after no kritva is after
samparkam duravanya samparkam krutva having contacted the kitchen through telephone
pachakam eka kachakupim svikritya. So the cook pachakam he brings
glass bottle,
one glass bottle.
Asked him
glass bottle
eka kachakupim svikritya, having taken a glass bottle.
Okay. Tasyam pipilikatrayam purayitva. In that tasyam that
bottle,
three
in that glass bottle.
Yeah, that bottle. 3 ants. After putting 3 ants. Tatra kinchit khanda sharkaram purayitva. There
jaggery.
Sugar.
Jaggery.
Okay. Khanda sharkara. Okay. Pidhanikam samsthapya.
Pidhanika is lid.
So
otherwise ants will run away.
Is it Khanda Shakra means jaggery or like crystal sugar?
Crystal sugar. Jaggery is gudaha.
Tasmin ekam randhram krutva.
In that lid,
one ekam randhram. Hole. Randhram is hole.
Hole.
Yes.
One hole. After making one hole, etebhya dadatu. Gave it to them.
Give it to these 3 students.
Tan sarvan tatra gatva tam kupim svikritya gachantu iti suchitavan api.
I told the students also. Tan sarvan, all the 3 students.
Tatra gatva, after going
there, tatra gatva.
Tam kupim svikritya, accepting the bottle. Gachantu iti suchitavan api.
Take the bottles and go.
Okay.
तान् wait तान् सर्वान् तत्र गत्वा
तं कूपीं
स्वीकृत्य after going there after accepting this go
take
where?
the bottles and go, that's the meaning there.
ते तथैव अगच्छन् ते
तथा एव
अगच्छन्
तथा
they did what was instructed and they tatha eva tavadeva.
So how many bottles did he give? 1 bottle or 3 bottles?
Kachakupi. Eka kachakupi.
So in that case, tam is whom is it referring to?
Tam kupi.
Three boys, right?
No. Tam kupi.
Kupi means when it tam kupi, right? No.
Tam. Atra tankana doshaha bhavati. Tan sarvan for the students. Tam kupi.
Okay. किञ्चित् कालान्तरं किञ्चित् कालानन्तरं तेषां प्रकोष्ठं प्रति मम पादौ चलितौ.
My feet moved towards their room after some time.
तत्र तस्यां कूप्यां पिपीलिकात्रयं सञ्चरन् अस्त्येव एकस्य हरितवर्णः एकस्य रक्तवर्णः अन्यः नीलवर्णस्य एव. ओके. तत्र तस्यां कूप्यां their bottle.
In that bottle, tasyam kupyam.
In that bottle, pipilika-trayam, the 3 ants, sancharan. Sancharan is moving. Asti eva. Okay. There only. Here only. Ekasya harita varna color. One is green, one is red, and one is blue.
I've never seen a blue ant.
You read the story, then you will understand.
Kimartham evam iti prashnam kritavan aham. I ask a question. Kimartham. Oh, why?
Why?
Why this color coding?
Why?
एताः अभिज्ञातुं सुलभाः भवन्ति इति उक्तवन्तः. इति उक्तवन्तः is thus they answered. एताः
सुलभाः. It is easy. Abhigyatu to know.
It is easy to know. Okay.
To identify.
Oh, okay.
Abhigyatum.
To identify.
Is it tumun to
Okay. अतः एव प्रयोगालयं गत्वा तेषां वर्णलेपनं कृत्वा आनीतवन्तः इति.
So went to the laboratory and colored them and brought them.
Okay. अन्ते महता हर्षेण मम समीपमागमन् आर्य पिपीलिकाः अटन्तः एव भवन्ति. यदा कदापि श्रान्ताः चेत् अग्रिमपादौ उन्नमय्य तदुपरि शिरः निधाय 10 अथवा 15 निमेषाः निद्रान्ति केवलम् इति अन्विष्टं तैः. Wow.
What is this?
Ante mahata harshena, with happiness, harshena. Ante mahata. What is
Mahata means lot, right?
With great happiness or with a lot of happiness. Like that.
Okay.
Mahata harshena. Ante in the end.
Okay. In the end, with lot of happiness, mama samipamagaman.
Samipam agaman.
Okay.
I went close to them.
Mama samipagaman.
Mama samipam
agatavan.
They came,
Agatya,
right?
you say, no? Agatya. Like that. Agaman. This is a different prayoga.
They come towards me. Is that what it is?
Yes, yes.
Arya pipilika.
Arya.
Okay.
So he's addressing the principal.
Yes, the students are telling.
Teacher, the ants, atantaha, meaning roaming, right?
Atantaha eva bhavanti. They keep on moving. Yada
kadapi shrantaha chet. Shranta, tired.
Yes. Whenever they are tired.
Whenever they are tired. Agrima padau unnamaya. They lift their front legs. Agrima padau unnamaya. They will sleep like. Tadu pari shiraha nidhaya. They place their head like this. Okay. Dasha athava panchadasha nimishe 5 to 10. Here it is not nimishaha, it is nimeshaha. Nimeshaha is seconds. Oh, 10 or 15 seconds. Yes. Seconds. Nidranti kevalam. Kevalam dasha athava panchadasha nimeshaha nidranti. Iti anvishtam tai. They investigated. Anvishtam. They found. They found. Okay.
Taihi.
It was
found by us.
Yes.
By them.
By them.
Them.
Because the teacher is reporting the matter to us. So it was investigated by them. Taihi, which vibhakti now?
Tritya vibhakti bahuvachana.
By them.
Saha tritya vibhakti.
Okay. Okay, you want to read, Anila Mahoday? I've been reading for a long time.
Aham कीटशास्त्र तंत्रज्ञं मम मित्रमेकं प्रति दूरवाण्या सम्भाषणं कृतवान्. तंत्रज्ञं. So I called the biology scientist. No, insectologist. And I called my friend through phone and I talked to him. Saha tameva uttaram dattvan. He tameva, tam plus eva. Tam eva.
He also gave the same reply.
Okay. He also, okay. Tameva uttaram. No, also is not there, right?
Tam eva.
Same.
Oh, he also. Okay. It's a stress. Okay. Pipilikaha nirantaram atantaha bhavanti. Ants continuously roam around. Ativa shrantaha chet dasha athva panchadasha nimeshaha nidranti evameva stitya iti. After getting lot of tiredness, if they get lot of tiredness, the 10 to 15 seconds they sleep.
In this condition only, like lifting their front legs and placing their head on the front.
इति तेषु बालकेषु एकः इदानीम् अमेरिकादेशे एकस्मिन् उत्तमविश्वविद्यालये कीटशास्त्रज्ञः एव वर्तते. Okay, तेषु बालकेषु. So few of the
teshu among the three. He is talking about only about these three students here.
Okay.
This story. So teshu balakeshu, among these three, ekah.
Okay. Three is implicit. Okay. Three is implicit. Among these three, one of them now is in America and in university.
Uttama Vishwavidyalaye.
In a
Famous.
Best or best
Prominent.
university,
Prominent.
top university. कीटशास्त्रज्ञ एव वर्तते. What is वर्तते?
He is here. He is working or he is doing.
He is
working as a Kidasastra.
Even now he is working there like that.
Even now.
Vartate.
Okay, he is working now. इदानीं is working now. Okay. यदि वयं केवलं शृणुमः किञ्चित् कालान्तरं विस्मरामः. If we only hear, we will forget in some time. Over time, we will forget over some time. Kalantaram.
Kala anantaram. Kinchit kala anantaram.
We will forget over some time. Over some time. Okay. Tasmin विषये अन्वेषणादि कार्यं कुर्मः चेत् सः अनुभव आजीवनं न विस्मर्यते इति सिद्धं खलु. So tasmin विषये in whatever subject we do investigation, if we do investigation in any subject, not if
tasmin vishaye अन्वेषणादि कार्यं कुर्मः चेत्,
if kurmah is prathama, right? Okay. If we do some research, in the subject, saha anubhava, that experience is, we never forget it throughout our life.
Ajivanam na vismaryate.
Iti siddham khalu. So it is proved.
Isn't it proved?
Oh, is it proved? Oh, okay. Question mark. Khalu. What is khalu actually?
Khalu.
I have heard.
Isn't it? Isn't it?
Okay.
Is it not?
I have heard this word a lot of time from Jayakumarji in video and other things.
It's like wow, Kim, like that.
Oh, yes, siddham asti va.
Samyak kada. Samyak
Vishay.
Samyak kada.
You also tried to write. Today I told you that tree story. You can try to write in Sanskritam.
Which story?
The tree.
Only that
He went to
tree.
California. He went and saw big trees and bonsai tree.
Can try.
Every time I see the bonsai tree, I feel like the parrot within the cage. I compare that to that. Yeah. It is like trapped in a small pot, right? You can't even,
actually, they say this, what is that?
Cruelty.
These days, hybrid varieties. The tree won't grow to a great height, but it will give a lot of fruits or vegetables. That also, I don't think it is good. Whatever the traditional practices were there in our country, they are the best ones. That's what I feel. I don't know. But bonsai is a punishment for the tree. People may like it because it is small and even 150 to 200 years. I have seen in Bangalore, Lalbagh, during the flower show, they keep the bonsai also. but I feel sad when I see them. If we are tied like that, how will we survive?
No, they won't let it grow also, right? Every time it comes a new stem, they keep on cutting it.
Japanese have an obsession with small. They used to wear shoes to not grow their foot, right? Small feet. The concept of beauty.
Yeah.
Here in Columbus, Ohio, they said for the rest of the school year, the schools are closed.
Oh.
For kindergarten to 12th grade.
So it is all online education.
Yeah, online only. They cannot go to the building, school building, but it will be remote schooling only. They did not mention about colleges yet.
Oh.
But they mentioned only for the schools.
No, colleges already they have started. Colleges are already closed for the whole semester.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are remote classes.
Yes.
Now, what Saraswati told? I forgot. I didn't get it. Saraswati?
For the coronavirus here in Columbus, in Ohio, they are not opening the schools for the rest of the school year. It will be over in end of May. Until then, everybody will be learning only remote.
Of course, here in Kuwait also, kids have stopped going to school since February last week. February last week, they had some national festival here. They were given holidays that time for 1 week. And at the same time, this corona problem came. So since then, all the kids are at home and they are not even coming to the corridor. It's really a very big punishment for them.
The whole concept of life changed.
Yeah.
Now I think all people will be inside the house, doing everything on the computers.
Yes.
Digital era has come complete.
So much of dependency on internet.
Yeah, digital.
For even very small kids. That's really bad. What to do? Astu, shall we do this Anvaya Rachana now or in the next class?
Time is there. You can do 1 or 2 per hour.
Okay.
पिपीलिकाः निद्रान्ति वा? पिपीलिकाः पिपीलिका प्रातिपदिकम् आकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचन. निद्रान्ति निद्र धातु लंग लकार प्रथम पुरुष बहुवचन. वा इज अव्ययम्.
लंग लकारं किमर्थं महोदय?
Sorry, lat lakara. No, I had lat lakara in my mind and I uttered lang lakara. I don't know why. Lat lakara. Va is avyam. Ekasyaha. So, pratipadikam eka.
See, atra shala strilingam asti kila. Atah ekasyaha iti.
प्रातिपदिकम एका षष्ठी विभक्ति एकवचन. अंतरराष्ट्रीय अकारांत पुल्लिंग प्रथम विभक्ति एकवचन. अंतरराष्ट्रीय. Isn't the
atra what you have to do is antarashtriya shalayah. You make it one word.
अंतरराष्ट्रीय शालायाः. So प्रथमा शाला अंतरराष्ट्रीय प्रातिपदिकम अंतरराष्ट्रीय शाला आकारांतर स्त्रीलिंग षष्ठी विभक्ति एकवचन. प्रांशुपालः प्रातिपदिकम प्रांशुपाल अकारांत पुल्लिंग प्रथम विभक्ति एकवचन. आसम अस् धातु आसम लंग आसम लंग लकार
लंग लगा था।
आस आसम लंग लकार
हम्म,
प्रथम उत्तम पुरुष उत्तम
एकवचनं।
एकवचनम् एकवचनं
हम्म,
सा आवासीय शाला सा इज तद
तच्छब्दः
तत् शब्द स्त्रीलिंग प्रथमा
दकारान्त
विभक्ति
दकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्ग
दकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग तत् शब्द प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनम् आवासीया आवासीया
आवासीया शाला
आवासीया इज आल्सो आकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग प्रथमा विभक्ति
विशेषण शब्दः।
प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनं शाला इज आल्सो आकारान्त पुल्लिंग स्त्रीलिंग प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनं तस्याः शालायाः सर्वे विद्यार्थिनः मयि अत्यन्त ओके तस्याः शालायाः is it like षष्ठी or सप्तमी
तस्याः शालायाः
षष्ठी न
षष्ठी।
I'm just trying to figure out how it is fitting into here. Tasya that shalayah sarve vidyarthi. In that shala, right? Shouldn't it be like that?
No, not in that shala. Of that school.
Oh,
Of that.
Tasya. Okay. So tad shabda dakaranta स्त्रीलिंग षष्ठी विभक्ति एकवचनं शालायाः शाला आकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग षष्ठी विभक्ति एकवचनं सर्वे विद्यार्थिनः सर्वे सर्व शब्द
सर्वनाम शब्दः
सर्व अकारान्त सर्व
न पुल्लिङ्गः एव सर्वः सर्वौ सर्वे
सर्व शब्द अकारान्त पुल्लिंग विद्यार्थिने
प्रथमा बहुवचनं किल विद्यार्थिनः विद्यार्थी विद्यार्थिनौ विद्यार्थिनः बहुवचनं किल
विद्यार्थिन
सर्वे is which vibhakti सर्वे
प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचनं सर्वः सर्वौ सर्वे
विद्यार्थिन is the word
नकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गं विद्यार्थिन् शब्दः विद्यार्थी विद्यार्थिनौ विद्यार्थिनः if it is a girl it would be vidyarthini vidyarthinyau vidyarthinyah
okay तो सर्वे is अकारान्त पुल्लिंग प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचनं विद्यार्थिनः नकारान्त पुल्लिंग प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचनं मयि is अस्मत् शब्द अस्मद् प्रातिपदिकं सप्तमी विभक्ति एकवचनं अत्यन्तं is अव्ययम्
अत्यन्त शब्दम् इति वक्तुं शक्यते अत्यन्त
अव्ययम् अस्ति प्रीत्या is लेप् त्या प्रीत्या आदेरेण च
प्रीत्या अनिल महोदय प्रीत्या not pritya प्रीत्या
प्रीति शब्दः
इकारान्त
प्रीति शब्द इकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग
तृतीया विभक्ति एकवचनं तृतीया विभक्ति
ओके तृतीया विभक्ति एकवचनं सम्यक् आदरेण ओके आदर प्रातिपदिकं अकारांत पुल्लिंग तृतीया विभक्ति एकवचनं च अव्ययं व्यवहरन्ति व्यवहरन्ति व्यवहार प्रातिपदिकं प्रथम पुरुष बहुवचन
लकार
हाँ अकारांत हाँ
लकार
हाँ लंग लकार लट लकार लट लकार
अद्य अद्य अनिल महोदय लंग लकारे एव अस्ति
लट लकार
नास्ति not in the present
स्म इज अवयम अहम अपि अहम प्लस अपि सो अहम इज अस्मत् शब्द प्रथम अस्मत् शब्द दकारांत पुल्लिंग प्रथम विभक्ति एकवचन अपि इज अवयम तावत्
लिंगमिति न त्रिषु लिंगेषु समानः एव अहम even if I say aham I'll say
here it is pullinga right
but don't say pullinga trishu lingeshu like
tavat what is tavat
is avyay
that much
what does it mean tavat means
yavat tavat jitna utna yavat tavat
utna no not utna ahamapi tavat same way like that something
ahamapi tavat avayam saralah
in that way you can say
okay saralah is akaranta pullinga prathama vibhakti ekvachanam asam is asmat shabda dakaranta asmat dakaranta trishu lingeshu no sorry as dhatu as dhatu uttama purusa as dhatu lang lakara
idanim lang lakara
prathama uttama purusa ekvachan uttama purusa ekvachan यह कोपी यह इज अवयम कोपी सो कोपी
कः अपि
कः प्लस अपि सो अपि इज अवयम कः इज
किं शब्दः
किं शब्दः पुल्लिंग
1 minute यह is not अव्ययम् right यह
यस्मत्
not यस्मत् यद
शब्द
दकारांत पुल्लिंग यद शब्द
sorry यह सः यत् यह इज दकारांत पुल्लिंग प्रथम विभक्ति एकवचन यद शब्द को अपि कः प्लस अपि कः इज किम शब्द तो मकारांत पुल्लिंग प्रथम विभक्ति एकवचनम अपि इज अवयम विद्यार्थी
नकारांत पुल्लिंगः
okay नकारांत the same thing the vidyarthin which was प्रातिपदिकम विद्यार्थिन नकारांत पुल्लिंग शब्द प्रथम विभक्ति एकवचनम प्रथम विभक्ति एकवचनम ओके यस्मिन् यद दकारांत पुल्लिंग यद शब्द यस्मिन् इज सप्तमी विभक्ति एकवचनम कस्मिन् इज किम शब्द मकारांत पुल्लिंग सप्तमी विभक्ति एकवचनम समये प्लस अपि
समयः अपि समयेपि
why did it become samaye then
तत्र संधिः
समये अपि only correct समये that is a saptami
समयः
because otherwise it will be samayopi.
yes.
Samaye plus api. So samaya akaranta pullinga saptami vibhakti ekvachanam. Api is avayam. Mam षष्ठी.
अस्मत्
षष्ठी नास्ति.
द्वितीया
अस्मत् शब्द दकारान्त पुल्लिंग त्रिषु लिंगेषु तृतीय विभक्ति एकवचनं.
द्वितीया विभक्ति
द्वितीया अस्ति किल? द्वितीया वा तृतीया वा? अहम् आवां वयं माम् अस्मान्.
सम्यक्. द्वितीया अस्मत् सप्त दकारान्त दकारान्त त्रिषु लिंगेषु द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचनं. उपशर्तुम् अवकाशः. उपशर्तुम् is it tumun pratyay?
तुमुन् प्रत्यय.
तुमुन् प्रत्यय. Okay. उपशर्त धातु उपशर्त धातु तुमुन् प्रत्यय. उपसरत धातु तुमुन् प्रत्यय. अवकाशः अकारान्त पुल्लिंग प्रथम विभक्ति एकवचन. आसीत् अस् धातु प्रथम पुरुष एकवचन. अस् धातु लङ् लकार प्रथम पुरुष एकवचन.
अस्तु, अत्र स्थगयामः. अग्रिम कक्ष्यायां पश्यामः कथायाः अन्वयरचनाम्. अस्तु,
पुनः
महोदय पुनः करणीयं वा? अस्तु, पुनः कुर्मः, चिन्ता नास्ति. अस्तु.
So
yes.
We didn't get the homework this time.
Homework, I think Pravesha only. Pravesha book, what was discussed in the class video. I think that was the homework. I don't know.
There is no homework this week?
Yeah, no special homework was given. Today I will give some homework.
Or maybe the video link also, at least if we can get, we can see that.
And I'll post along with today's, this week's homework, I'll post that numbers, Ekah, Eka, Ekam. All the 4 numbers I have done. So you can try that. Training sentences with those 4. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Om shanti shanti shanti.
धन्यवादः.
स्वागतम्.